Where are we at, Tina?
Puerto Vallarta.
We made it. Nothing like a direct flight. No layover, just one flight and you're here. So for this trip, we decided to check out Hyatt Ziva in Puerto Vallarta. This hotel is located about 25 minutes south of Puerto Vallarta's airport in Conchas Chinas. So we checked in, walked on over to our room, and made it just in time for this. Mature sea turtles come lay their eggs at night, then they're collected by hotel staff, incubated on site at the nursery, and then released back into the ocean.
Aren't you so happy that you came? You got to see the turtles, honey.
Now, this is an all-inclusive resort, so time to get a drink, then we were off to dinner. So apparently there's tacuaches here, which is possums in English. Gotta keep our eyes out for them. Just kidding. Come on, baby. Just got done with the gym. We ordered room service. Gotta head downstairs, head up the beach for a bit, and then maybe check out the pool since we haven't really been down there yet. But first, let me give you guys a tour of the place. Starting from the north end all the way down to the south end of the hotel. The beach and hotel here is about a third of a mile long. The beach here is exclusive, only guests and a handful of vendors are allowed. And the crazy part about this place, since the mountains are behind, you get a late sunrise. ¿Cómo se llaman?
Se llama iceberg.
Oh, sí los he probado. Sí.
La cerveza con margarita, pero le ponemos un toque de curazao azul.
Sí los he probado. Gracias.
Me gusta, señor, un placer.
Gracias. Say hi. So we're headed up this little road here. We're gonna go up to the mirador. Es el de Conchas Chinas, ¿verdad? Sí. Conchas Chinas Mirador. Get a couple of drone shots. Then we're gonna go get a surprise egg for Melina. Yeah. Puerto Vallarta is filled with dozens of breathtaking viewpoints along the mountains and all throughout the city. This particular mirador is located in Conchas Chinas, about 5 minutes away from Hyatt Ziva. Make it a tradition. Every time we go on a trip to Mexico, we're gonna go in search of a surprise egg.
Right back, right?
Yeah, you know. Where are they? Let me see. ¿Es quién? So this is where the stand used to be, where we're gonna go get the marlin barritas, but I think they've moved it over back this way, so we gotta take this little path back this way to find the what?
Las barritas de Marlene.
All right, well, we thought it was over on this side, but it doesn't look like it's here either. We gotta go on a
mission to find these barritas.
No, gracias. ¿Las barritas a dónde quedan? ¿Eh? Las barritas.
¿Cuáles barritas?
La del que estaba aquí, de Marlene.
Ah, aquí están.
So apparently, the stand we were looking for was shut down. They were now selling out of an ice chest, but we were looking for something fresh. And then this guy came along, and we ordered some fresh marlin right off the grill. Of all the beautiful places I've been to, there's definitely something special about this place. And maybe it's the lush, tropical mountains, the food, the warm, welcoming people, or maybe it's just something in the air. It's hard to say, but it's definitely something you need to come check out for yourself. Say goodbye, Tina.
My pleasure.
This car.
Bye now. Tastes like heaven.
Saludo a mi amigo, a su hija, a mi esposa, disfrutando aquí en la Cebolla Colorada, 10 de octubre del año 2020, Campo de la Rima, el original, Puerto Vallarta, Jalisco, México, carnal. Un saludo California, un saludo a Sacramento, bienvenido a este puerto, esto sale de aquí adentro, mientras solo me concentro. Si hubiese un terremoto, aquí sería el epicentro, donde me encuentro, obviamente, aquí con mi amigo, con los tres, porque vengo más letal que la falla de San Andrés.
All right, back to the hotel we go. Got some good food, got a couple beers. I'm super hot, sweaty. It's time to get back to our hotel. What do we have for snacks?
Some nasty cacahuates.
Those are good.
Guacatelas. They're not the kind of cacahuates that I like.
And then what do we got over there?
But this, yes.
Queso. Ruffles. Just got back from Playa Los Muertos. Starting to get a little bit dark. Sun is starting to set, but we still got a little bit of time to go down to the pool. And then grab some dinner a little bit later. Vámonos. Hyatt Ziva has a total of 6 restaurants, including 5 bars and lounges. During the time that we went, some of the restaurants were either closed or rotating service. Overall, the food here was average. As far as drinks, they were actually pretty good, especially if you get the ones off of the cart. Nothing like walking into the room with the AC blasting. Humidity is pretty high out there, so it feels super good walking up in here. So no gym today, straight to breakfast. It's already like noon, huh? Here you go. We are off to the pool again. It is too damn hot to be out and about, so going downstairs to the pool, and then maybe later we'll go get something to
Have
eat.
some dinner, maybe at the set.
The set, we're looking at 2 or 3 different places. They both have a view, so it should be nice. Get out of the hotel for a little bit.
Bastaría con abrazarte y conversar. Tanta dicha yo te di, que por fuerza quería sabor a mí.
After the set, we stopped by our favorite restaurant in Puerto Vallarta, Mérida Grill. Merida Grill is located in the romantic zone of Puerto Vallarta and specializes in pre-Hispanic Yucatecan cuisine.
¿Quieres picante?
Medio picante. Sí. Sí.
And the fresh molcajete salsa here is amazing. The art and decor here are very unique, unlike any other restaurant in Puerto Vallarta.
One place we recommend in Puerto Vallarta is Merida Grill. Sometimes when you stay at the resort, you don't get to taste and see all of the restaurants and the food that Puerto Vallarta or any place has to offer.
So if there's one place you must try in PV, it's here.
Back to the room. Get a good night's sleep.
We had a good time down here as always. We were a little bit hesitant to come down here at the beginning because we weren't sure if things were open. But things are pretty normal for the most part down here, as normal as it can be considering the situation. Definitely recommend you guys coming down here right now. Mexico is one of the few places that you can travel to right now from the States. And this is probably our favorite place to come in Mexico. I don't know if you've seen some of our other videos. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video.